guys, this is Jada the Gamer here with a video of building a electric car jump. Now for this we'll need a hammer, drill, 4 screws, 3 pieces of wood and a thin piece of wood. So take all these off. Now start off guys. Get one long one, and don't know how long this one here is, but you get another piece of wood, and then you get 2 screws, 2 long ones, and then put them straight through this. Put one in, slide it over, then you put 2 in, make sure it's in good so that it doesn't break. Okay. Then, in case this one here breaks, because mine's actually starting to break, you need 1 spare piece of wood, just in case. Then that's what your hammer's for. Get your hammer, and then you hammer it in. There's the first step guys. Now, this part here, put your piece of wood like that, then put it whatever way you want it. I'll put it that way. So then you put it exactly like that. Just move that back a bit. That there like that. Get another screw. Then do you want to come over and hold it for me? My nan's just going to come over and help me hold it guys. You just want to hold this part up. Okay, get another screw, then you get it exact in one of the holes, then you put it straight in, not like what I just did. It's one. Now where's the other part? Oh, went straight through there. Where is it? There. We'll put it right here. If I can make it go through, I'll have to hit it through for a second guys. So then you get your hammer, put it in the place where you want it, and you hit it in. Half in. Then get your drill. Drill that through. Now you lift it up, put it exact where you want it. Then just have to get mine straight. Then you drill one in. There's one. Straight guys. There's one part. Okay, get it? Put that like that guys. And then drill it in. Make sure it's in. There. That's how you make a remote control car jump, guys. Okay. My remote control car's charging, so I'll probably show you how to do it in our next video. So, have a good day, and Jada the Gamer out.